raining crazy. I can't see anything. As I decided to go on a short drive, the season of the year lovingly said, "Well, hello, how have you been?" And I said, "I'm doing good. Thank you for the rain." That was a pretty hard rain. After enjoying the drive while it was raining, it was time for me to find a place to park my vehicle. And I found one. Okay, so I just want to give you an update of the self-adhesive Velcro which I have stick onto my car the other day, a couple of days ago. So just wanted to give you an update of how well it has worked out. It failed miserably. I left my car in the cellar at my home. When I checked it out on the next day, it just came off. It just came off. So the one at the top, which I stick to the ceiling or the roof of the car, it just fell. It just came off by itself. It was just hanging at the edge. It was stick at the edge and it was just hanging. So I think the solution is going to be that I'm going to stick it back again, and then I am going to staple it or maybe stitch it. I don't know. I'll see how it's going to work. But if that's not going to help it, then I may have to rethink, or I may have to come up with some other idea. It was not a surprise to me that this didn't work out. I have shot this video after about 2 hours from sticking it, and it was already failing to stick. But I had plan B. Okay, it's raining right now. It's raining like cats and dogs. So it has been raining. So I have decided that I'm going to shoot this video during the rain because I'm actually liking this weather. So the clouds they're just coming and they're just everywhere. It has been raining since morning, and it has been raining and raining and raining. So that's okay. So I think this is a very good day for me to make a video and share it with you guys. As I said, the plan B has really worked out absolutely fine. So I was expecting that the self-adhesive Velcro would really work out, but actually it has failed. So I definitely had to come up with another idea, and I did. So I'm really happy the way this thing has worked out, and I'm also happy that it actually failed at the first time. Because it has given me idea of it has given me an idea of how to fix this thing, and it has really worked out very well. So I would really like to show and share it with you all. So the mesh which I have been talking about, the project is finally completed. So I am going to show you how I am going to fix it, other than the Velcro, the self-adhesive Velcro. So I'm not going to use the self-adhesive Velcro anymore. I have repurposed it, I have reused it for something else, and I'll show it to you for what I have used it. It's going to be part of this video, so stick around. But I really have a different solution altogether to have this mesh put on my car during my camping time, and when I'm sleeping in this car, just to avoid mosquitoes get into the car while I'm sleeping in this. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you now. Let's check it out. Okay, so the setup is going to be like, what I'm going to do is I am going to use a bunch of binder clips. So I'm going to use that to to stick the net to the entire opening of this particular section of the car. So what is going to happen is I'm going to use those clips and clip them to this particular section, which actually prevents the water to enter inside and seals this particular door. Okay, I'm going to show that to you now. So here's the net. All right, so I've been showing it to you. I bought it from a shop at my home. I have actually cut this already with the exact measurements of this particular section of the car. Now I'm going to quickly clip them and then show you the finished product. So first I'm going to place this at the top here, okay, and I'm going to start working my way by clipping it just like that, and pull a bit tight, and then put another clip, and the third one here, pull a bit tight, put another clip. Okay, now I have the top part properly secured. The top part is properly secured now. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, it's very secure. Okay, now next what is going to happen is I'm going to work my way by putting in all the clips to this particular section. Okay, I can't believe I chose this day to complete this project, to show you guys. It's raining like crazy. It's raining like crazy, so I'm going to put all the clips in my pocket for now, just to have just like so that I can have them handy. Okay, so I'm going to tuck this in here a bit. All right, another clip here, another one right, just tuck it a bit. Another one right here. All right, another one is going to go at the bottom here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to work my way other side. Okay, going to again tuck it inside and put a clip. Just pull a bit tight. Just clip it nicely. I'm going to use smaller clips on the sides. Okay, so right now I have a very clean mosquito net without any foldings. I mean to say, there are no foldings, it's very clear. Okay, just going to fold this inside a bit. Now that it is raining, I do not want any water to enter inside, and I think it's going to be a good day for me to test if water is making its way inside. Okay. All right, so there it is. Our finished product. Let me bring you guys closer to this and show it to you how it is actually looking. I'm actually impressed with it. Okay, so as you guys can see, these are the binder clips which I have used. So all what I'm doing is, this is the rubber part of the car which is going to seal this door from entering water inside, things like those. So I'm going to just put this mesh on top of that, and I'm going to use this clip and I'm going to just clip it in place just like that. Okay, now this thing is not going to go anywhere. It's pretty tight and I'm really happy about this. Okay, so there is this net. All right, so I think this has worked out pretty nice. The Velcro thing didn't actually work. So what I did is I have used the self-adhesive Velcro to stick it onto the window and then have mesh over there as well. Okay, I'm going to show that to you now. Okay, if you watch closely, this is the Velcro which I've reused. I have removed it from the back section of the car and I have reused it on both the doors, both the middle doors. I have stick them and they have stick firmly. Okay, I don't see any problems with this. So I think the Velcro which I have bought, it sticks pretty nice on the metal. So this thing is, see, it's pretty solid. It's not moving at all. It's not going anywhere. Okay, now what I have done is I have cut the mesh according to the size and I have prepared it. Okay, I'm going to show that to you now. Okay, so I have stick the mesh onto the car's middle row section window here. What I have done is I have stick the loop self-adhesive Velcro onto this mesh and I have stapled it. Okay, I have measured it, I've stick it and I have stapled it. Now this is not going to go anywhere. It's very tight, so unless I'm pulling it out, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's going to stay without any problems. Okay, and so we have a mesh now. Okay, let me quickly show you around after fixing all the nets how it is going to look. All right, so here's the rear section of my car. Let me take you to the side door. Okay, so here's the side door. I may cut this extra section or this additional net maybe. Let me also show you where I have actually parked my car today. And just look at this. This is nice. And it's raining. Okay, let me also show you the other side. This is where I've parked my car. And look at this. Is this beautiful or what? I'm not sure. There's a, that's the hill there. Not sure the camera is capturing or not. It's a hill. I'm at the foothill. this project has been completed of the mosquito net mesh. So I'm really looking forward to go on a camp really soon. Let me once again give you a closer look of this hill. Just look at this. I'm telling you, if it wasn't raining right now, I would have trekked this hill right away. And that was the reason I brought my my mountain bike along with me today. I thought I'll ride the bike on this hill. I'm not sure, I may do that though it's raining, but I'll see. So guys, I think you really like this video. The rain has just started picking up. It's pouring down right now. So I decided just got drenched. I just changed my shirt, and then so I think I'm in a good spot right now with the mosquito net. I think it has really worked out well. So I'm very happy about how it has worked out. So I believe I have given you enough inputs on how to prepare a mosquito net by yourself now. So hopefully it's going to be helpful to anyone who's watching this video. And this weather is amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'm in the woods right now. There's no one around here, and it's raining. I'm in my car. Just imagine how it's going to be if I am going to sleep throughout the night in this car and in places like these. It is going to be amazing. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. The way this place is, and it's very cozy in this car right now, and along with all the needs I need so that I can stay without any problems in this car. I hope guys you have liked this video, and please check out my other videos as well. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to make more awesome videos. I'm really excited to go on a camp and stay in car and sleep, spend a night in the car. I'm really excited. I think this is going to be amazing. I really encourage every one of you to go out into the woods, spend some time with the nature, recharge yourself. Let all the work stress diffuse out of you. I would really encourage you do this, because this is really nice. It's so peaceful and calm right here. It's really nice. So thank you once again guys. Please like my videos if you like them, and you'll see more awesome videos coming in the near future. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.